Hi everyone, let's see how the Smart Rule Builder works in Cart Lock. Here you search and pick the conditions you need, and the app will match them to the right combination. Let's say you want to block orders from a specific province, but only for a specific product. Type Products in the search bar and select Products. Then search Province/State Codes and select Province/State Codes. As soon as you select both, Step 2 shows your matching combination on the right. Now, let's go to the rule page and add our values. That's how you add your values here for now. Let's go back and try another example. Say you want to block a large group of customers at once. You could use customer names, but if you're blocking many customers, it's easier to use a tag instead. Search Customer Tag and select Customer Tags. Right away, your matching combination shows up on the right. Let's go to the rule page again and add our value. That's how easy it is to search, pick conditions, and add your values with the Smart Rule Builder.